Hey there, fellow geeks. Do you want to become a super developer? Do you want to build awesome applications faster and learn the latest AI technologies now? I can help. I'll show you how to code way faster and better using two things: tricks I've picked up from over 20 years of being a software developer, and using AI-powered coding tools to your advantage. Plus, I'll teach you how to build awesome generative AI apps like ChatGPT and Midjourney right on your own computer. No costly cloud stuff needed. I'm Jeremy Morgan, and I've been a software developer for over 20 years. Let's learn how to build applications super fast and how to leverage the latest in AI tools. Welcome to the cutting edge of tech. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, here's what you can expect. Cool tricks to write code faster, and a lot of this is stuff that I wish I knew years ago. How to build your own tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney right on your own computer. Easy Python lessons that just make sense. Some ways to make AI art on your own laptop. And fun projects to make your webcam do cool stuff. Now, this isn't just another coding channel. You'll learn how to code faster than ever using the AI tools that everyone talks about. Think of this channel as your fast track to better coding. So while others are still typing everything out by hand and trying to figure things out, you'll use AI to learn how to code better. And you can also build your own AI tools. So if you want to speed up coding and bring AI to your desktop, hit that subscribe button like you're squashing a bug. Time to become a super developer.